Problem number 2. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. And solution for this. So what is the polynomial p of x? Here our p of x is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. This is our given polynomial. And the divisor here it's given as x minus a. So the 0 of x minus a is a. Now how to find it? Now we will substitute this a in the polynomial. So it becomes p of a is equal to a cube minus a into a whole square plus 6 into a minus a. We have substituted a in the place of x. Then what you will get? Cubing that a, it becomes a cube minus square of this a is a square. That a square will be multiplied with this a, it becomes a cube. Then plus 6a minus a. So this plus a cube and minus a cube gets eliminated. So 6a minus a, it becomes 5a. So the remainder here is 5a. Now let us do the problem number 3. The problem number 3 is we have to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So first you should know the meaning of factor. So what is a factor? The divisor is called a factor. That is, I'll give you one example. The divisor is called a factor if the remainder is 0. The divisor is called a factor if the remainder is 0. When the dividend is divided by the divisor. The divisor is called a factor if the remainder is 0 when we divide the dividend by the divisor. I'll go with an example. That is 2 divides 10. So when I divide 10 by 2, my quotient will be 5 and remainder is 0. Is it or not? Remainder is 0. So this 2 is called a factor of 10. Let me give another one more example. That is, we are going to divide 15 by 2. That's what I have given here. 15 is divided by 2. When I divide this 15 by 2, my quotient will be 7. Whereas remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So this 2 is not a factor of 15. In order to become a factor, always the remainder should become a 0. So now let us do the problem. Continue with the problem. Now solution for this. Now let us take the polynomial p of x. So p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. And what is the 0 for this problem? The 0 of 7 plus 3x is? The 0 of 7 plus 3x is minus 7 by 3. So we get what is the next step? We will substitute this minus 7 by 3 in p of x. So we get it as p of minus 7 by 3 is equal to my 3 into minus 7 by 3 cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Now simplification. So when we simplify this, what you will get? 3 into, so cubing the negative becomes minus. So 7 cube is 243 divided by 3 cube is 27 plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Next step, here 3 and 27 we can divide it. So when we divide this 3 and 27, it becomes minus 243 divided by 9. When we multiply the next terms, we get it as minus 49 by 3. Now this has to be, this again can be simplified by taking LCM. The LCM of these two terms is 9. 9 is the LCM of these two terms. So 3 has to be multiplied for the second term. So it becomes minus 243 minus 147, which will be equal to minus 490 divided by 9. This cannot be further simplified. This is not equal to 0. Is this equal to 0? This is not equal to 0. So since our remainder is not 0, this divisor is not a factor. Therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of p of x.